Hey guys, Solo here. This is going to be part 2 of 3 of the DEEBOT N79 robot vacuum review. In this video we'll go over the remote and also the app and some of the features that it has. Thanks again for watching.
And looks like it's fully charged, so we're going to go ahead and start with the auto button, see what that does. This essentially should be putting it into like being at different areas all over the room. Kind of going all over the place. There's a pattern, but again, it still seems pretty all over the place. Kind of no real coordination. It does switch off to like a edge to edge. I have seen it do that. There's a few features on the remote that want to look at. We've already gone through the auto. This is the go home button. This one moves your unit around. Pause start. And then you have your timer, which you can set your time with, your alarms, so that's pretty nice. And then you also have let's see what this guy does. This allows you to set the clock. This allows you to set the timer, the alarm. This is your target button, which allows you to go in spot mode. And then you also have your single room, your Wi-Fi button. You can turn off your Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and see what that does. Okay. And it looks like it's trying to find it. Should push it again. Don't know how to read about that. And then you have your edge mode. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start actually looking at app. So first things first, go to the Ecovacs app. All right, so let's see how this works. All right, so as you guys are connecting, it'll actually show online. As you guys can see from there, you can actually start driving it. Once it shows it's online, you get the screen. You can actually undock it. So I'm going to undock it, and you can drive it from here, going left, right. Okay. You can do all of your features: your auto, your edge, your spot, your room, and also charge. So very similar to the remote control. You can also go into these 3 dots and you can set your vacuum power. I don't see this option on the remote, but it's only available for the auto and the single. So you can set that up. You can also set your cleaning schedule. You can check out the life of your devices, main brush, filter. All right, so while this is going on, we're actually gonna go through and go ahead and do something real quick. So you got your stuff here. We're gonna go and just do auto. Edge.
I'll do room since I want to get it out of there. And then I'll probably stop it and do a spot right here. And then we'll just go ahead and send it home.